see you. You're trying to make me feel sorry for you. It's kind of working though. So this is a leaf of life plant. And as you can see, this one is growing away from this one. So it needs to be repotted. It's a better view. Right here is a better view. It wants to be repotted. And it's telling me that because clearly you can see it. I actually purchased pieces of the leaf of life plants off of an Etsy shop. I actually looked it up, and I'll show you what I did in order to still get a leaf of life plant, because I wanted one really, really bad because they have so many benefits. I guess the plant one. So remember these pots that I got from Walmart? We're gonna go ahead and use them today to repot this one right here, this leaf of life plant, because as you can see, she's moving even further away. We're just gonna take and open this up right here. So this is the aqua terracotta plant, terracotta pot right here, and then we have where the water goes right here. Okay, so y'all know that I am not having it whenever it gets to comes to lizards in my soil, because sometimes lizards have gotten in my soil. So I came up with the idea of using this just to sift out the soil. We're gonna see how it works. It would kind of be better if I had gloves on. Yeah, let me go get some gloves. Let's get some gloves. I'll pull these two apart because for some reason they're not liking each other. One of them is just like, they're not having it. So I'm gonna pull these two apart just a little, make some space in between there. Give them their own room. I took one leaf. This one's kind of withered a little, but it's still a leaf. I took one leaf and I just laid it on top of the soil. What I'm gonna do is take this bigger one and put it on top of the soil in one of the bigger pots, one of my bigger plants. It doesn't matter which plant you actually lay it on top of. So as you see, all I did was laid it right on top of the soil, And so what it'll start to do is to take root. It doesn't have any holes in it. And as I said, this water right here, this water's in the bottom. And I just put the terracotta pot inside this plastic thing, so it's just going to absorb the water from the terracotta pot itself. That's this right here making a noise, my mister. I just misted the plant, and I wanted to give a quick update. As you can see right here, it's actually already creating sprouts, roots. So in essence, this itself can become an entire plant like this, and it'll get even bigger. So it's already started, and I did it literally like last week. You can see the roots developing, and all I've been doing is just simply watering it. You can either pour water on it or you can mist it. Either way, but either way, it's going to continue to grow. So yeah, just wanted to share that quick update. I found this at Lowe's. The air plant had already expired, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. And maybe I can just, you know, clean it up a little bit. It's got a couple of rocks in it. And I know nobody's asked, but my air plant is doing okay. And I'm gonna say goodbye to this little thing right here that I made. And just drop this in right here. So now it has a new home. Here's this leaf of life plant, well, leaf. I'm just gonna put it in the soil right on top, like so, just like that. Like I said, as long as it has contact with the soil, and I just broke it, but that's okay. I'm just gonna water it. I actually bought this bird feeder thinking that it would work or whatever, but for some reason it gets stuck and the birds can't get to the food. So I'm like, I can't do anything with it other than look at it. So as you can see right here, is getting some more roots. Some of them turn brown, but that's fine. I still have some green over here. Yeah, it's working. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, I've ordered the air plant. That's right there. And the other air plant I put over here. Yeah. And it's snowing outside. It is coming down. So y'all see my frost-proof DIY. Oh goodness, so that's doing good. It's holding up, protecting plant. And here's the other one right here. Let's see it. Yeah. So they're doing good. You can see right here, I tried to makeshift a little hood to go on my bird feeder because, yeah, I tried. I tried to make a little makeshift thing for the bird feeder. I'm gonna have to invest in one because I don't know how to make it because it's cold. And I'm pretty sure they don't have a lot to choose from, especially because it's winter and the worms are all in the ground. But as you can see, they out there on that feeder. They all on it. Put some on the ground too. All in there. Get some food today. I know that's right, baby. Get your food. Oh, good. I'm glad that worked. So he reaching inside of there to get the food in that little hole. So, but I don't like to fill it all the way up because when it gets moisture on the inside, it'll make the bird food all soggy. That's the only reason I don't fill it all the way up, and it's almost like you're losing bird food because all the soggy is at the bottom, you know, and all the dry bird food, it'll be at the top, and then it'll end up mildewing in the middle of the bird feeder. So that's why I never fill it all the way up. Because, yeah. So this is after I put the bird food out. It look like they can sit on those perches now. So now more of them, they can get more food. You see, they much happier. And even the big ones are on it, which I'm okay with, because these are bluebirds right here. And not them huge birds that just come and take over the whole bird feed, and the other small birds can't get food. I can't stand when it happens. That's the most frustrating thing, when you put bird food in there and the big birds come eat all the food and the small birds can't even, feed because the big bird's on there. Oh, that was a pretty one. I must be talking. I know. I'm on here right now. It's my turn. It's so pretty. Still growing. See the little roots that's coming out of it? Soon it's gonna start growing into the soil.